Welcome to the top picks. The best pedicure stand is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for anyone looking to achieve a professional quality pedicure at home, offering a stable and elevated platform that makes reaching your feet effortless and comfortable, transforming your at-home spa experience into something truly luxurious and efficient. Number 5. ZenToes Moisturizing Socks, Fuzzy Blue, Regular. Say goodbye to dry, cracked heels. Our moisturizing socks are designed to deeply hydrate and heal your feet. Enriched with vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba oil, these socks provide intense nourishment. Experience a spa-like treatment right at home. Slip into ultimate comfort with our soft, fuzzy socks. They're perfect for unwinding after a long day. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These spa socks are a wonderful way to show you care. Give the gift of relaxation and soft heels. Treat your feet to the care they deserve. Our moisturizing socks deliver visible results for softer, healthier heels. What we like? These socks offer deep moisturization for cracked heels. They are infused with vitamin E and soothing oils. If you suffer from dry, cracked heels and want a simple, comfortable solution, these are for you. What people say? The stand is sturdy and doesn't wobble during use. It's adjustable, allowing for comfortable positioning for both the technician and the client. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space in the salon. Number 4. Colossal Foot Rasp and Callus Shaver. Are you struggling with dry, rough skin on your feet? Say goodbye to painful calluses and hello to smooth, soft skin. Our foot rasp is designed to gently and effectively remove dead skin and calluses. It's the perfect tool for a professional pedicure at home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete foot care routine. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. With 10 replacement heads and an additional file, you'll have long-lasting use. Keep your feet looking and feeling their best for months to come. Experience the difference as it transforms your heels from rough to remarkably smooth. Enjoy the confidence of beautiful, healthy feet. The sturdy wooden handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. This ensures precise control for safe and effective callus removal. What we like? This tool provides a dual-action approach to callus removal. Its sharp blades and replaceable heads ensure effective and hygienic use. If you need to tackle tough calluses and want a powerful, long-lasting solution, this is a great choice. What people say? The stand is sturdy and doesn't wobble during use. It's adjustable, allowing for comfortable positioning for both the technician and the client. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space in the salon. Number 3. Pro Professional Home Pedicure Kit. Achieve salon-quality pedicures in the comfort of your home with this all-in-one kit. It's designed for ease of use, making nail painting a breeze. This comprehensive kit includes a lit magnifier, a drying fan, and a task light. These features ensure precision and a flawless finish every time. The included Pedi Assistant tool helps you paint your nails with incredible ease. Say goodbye to smudges and uneven coats. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or new to at-home nail care, this kit is perfect for women of all ages. Enjoy professional results effortlessly. Transform your home into a personal salon with this professional pedicure kit. Get ready to flaunt beautiful, perfectly painted nails. What we like? This kit is designed for a professional at-home manicure experience. It features an integrated fan for quick drying and a magnifying light for precision. If you love doing your nails at home and want a tool that makes painting easier and faster, consider this. What people say? The stand is very sturdy and doesn't wobble at all, even when I put my full weight on it. It's adjustable, so I can set it to the perfect height for my needs. The footrest is wide and comfortable, providing good support during pedicures. Number 2. Krofaue Electric Foot File. Introducing the Krofaue Electric Foot File, your solution for smooth, soft feet. Achieve professional pedicure results from the comfort of your home. Effortlessly remove stubborn calluses and dead skin with its powerful yet gentle grinding action. It's designed for effective and safe exfoliation. Customize your experience with adjustable speed settings to suit your needs. This allows for precise control, whether you need a gentle buff or a deeper treatment. Never run out of supplies with the included 60 sandpaper discs. This ensures you have plenty for multiple uses and can maintain optimal hygiene. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, this tool is built to last. Its professional-grade construction ensures reliability and a comfortable grip during use. Transform your feet with this versatile pedicure tool. Enjoy smooth, healthy-looking skin and the confidence that comes with it. What we like. This electric foot file offers a professional grinding experience. It has adjustable speed and comes with numerous sandpaper discs for customized exfoliation. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile tool to achieve smooth feet, this is an excellent option. What people say. The stand is sturdy and doesn't wobble during use. It's adjustable, allowing for comfortable positioning for both the technician and the client. The design is sleek and professional, fitting well in any salon environment. Number 1. Pedicure Foot Rest, Adjustable Foot Stand. Achieve salon-quality pedicures in the comfort of your own home. This adjustable foot stand makes pampering your feet easier than ever. Say goodbye to uncomfortable bending and stretching. Our innovative design provides stable support, allowing you to reach your toes with ease. Featuring a non-slip base, this foot rest stays firmly in place. You can focus on your pedicure without worrying about it shifting. The integrated toe separator ensures your toes stay perfectly spaced. This allows for smooth and even application of nail polish. This is the ultimate beauty pedicure kit for anyone who loves to keep their feet looking their best. Get professional results effortlessly. Not only is it functional, but it also comes in a sleek black finish. It's a stylish addition to your beauty routine. What we like. This foot rest provides an ergonomic solution for at-home pedicures. Its adjustable height and stable, non-slip base make it comfortable and safe to use. If you find it difficult to reach your feet or want a more comfortable pedicure experience without bending, this is ideal. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and well-made, providing excellent stability during pedicures. Its adjustable height feature allows for comfortable positioning for both the technician and the client. The integrated footrest is padded and ergonomic, ensuring client comfort throughout the service. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.